Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your payment method is not valid in the store on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to add a payment method into your Apple ID or you're trying to use your Apple Pay or your payment method in App Store or any other place, you see an error which is your payment method is not valid. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just go back from here, go to settings app, and you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then go to settings, go to VPN and device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting, just go to language and region, select region and select your own region in which you are living. So after selecting your region, you just have to go back from here. Just go to date and time section and you just have to enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back, go to software update section and try to update your software. After updating software, you have to simply go back, open your app store, and here just tap on your Apple ID or the profile option in the top right. Tap on Apple ID here. Verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. And here you have to select your manage payments option and you just have to try to delete your previous payment method. Once you have deleted your payment method, you have to tap on country or region option from here. And here just select your own country or region in which you are living, or you can try to select the country or region which you have just selected. And here just scroll down and look for your own country or region or the country or region which you have just selected in your iPhone settings. So I have selected this one, so I'm going to select this. And here you just have to wait for the loading. Then tap on this continue option here. And then tap on agree in the top right. And here you have to re-add your payment method. So you have to re-add your payment method here. After adding your payment method, enter your billing address correctly. You have to make sure that you haven't any issue or any error in your billing address. So enter your street. These two are optional, so you can skip them if you want. Then you have to enter your postcode. You have to search from Google if you don't know about your postcode. Then enter your town, your country, and your phone number, your name, and after all, just done option in the top right, and your issue will be fixed. Your payment method will be updated, and your billing address also will be updated. So if there will be any issue with your Apple ID or with your Apple Pay or with your payment method, it will be fixed in this step, and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.